Hi guys, welcome to today's video. A shorter video today just because it's New Year's Day. You don't want to listen to me talking and just raveting on while you're either hungover or just want a day off work. So short video from me, an extra bit of content for you. What has been my favourite piece of camera equipment in 2024? And that is very simple for me. This is going to be my old trusty 1DX Mark II. Now, people who follow the channel know that I have every single one apart from the Mark III of the 1Ds. I have the R3 access to the R6 Mark II, loads of nice lens and everything as well, but this is the camera and this is the piece of equipment that is my favourite piece of 2024. It still remains, even with the R3, my go-to. If I want to shoot something in lower light, I'll always pick up this. If I want something that I don't need the eye tracking for, I'll pick this up. You know, I've got so many EF lenses and prime lenses that just work slightly quicker on this camera that is always my go-to. And yes, it doesn't have 30 frames a second, but you know, it's quick enough. You're not going to be shooting photos like that and going, oh, I missed that. You shouldn't be saying you've missed that. It has a very limited mirrorless mode as well. If you go on live view, you can get eye tracking on it, and you've got 4K recording if I really wanted to as well. Not that I've ever used either of those functions on this camera. I use it as a point and shoot only. I have other cameras. I use a mirrorless camera if I wanted to do video recording, but by far my favourite piece of camera. For the money you can pick these up for now, getting closer and closer to that £1,000 mark, you can't really go wrong. The cards on it as well, because you can use it just on a normal compact flash, you can pick these up and just run them fairly cheap. It's just things like the batteries become more expensive, and if you want to use the CFast cards, they're quite expensive too, but you can run this on a bit of a budget. You need to pick up a non-OEM battery and a CF express card. You can get this going pretty easily, but the image quality you get from this camera is absolutely incredible. I can't wait one day to pick up a Mark III and see what the difference is of that, but for now this is my favourite camera, favourite piece of photography equipment I've used all year. So as I said, a quick video, nothing too crazy. What I'm going to do now is put some of my favourite imagery from using this camera at the end of this video with some music over the top. I hope you have a great new year, and I'll see you in 2025. Cheers.